Hello and welcome to another vlog. It's me, Angelo Caruana. Today we're going to do some trekking in one of the nicest valleys of Malta, which is Wied Il-Għasel, which is situated here in Mosta. You can see also the bridge of Mosta, the well-known bridge. So stay with me and I will go through this valley. There are some features as well to find. And now we are going along this path, which is going down to the valley. A lot of nature here. I'm hearing the birds, a lot of trees. This is a general view of this valley from here, and you can see over there that's the Mosta Bridge. Recently we did some upsailing from there, and there was the zip line. It was organized by the Mosta Scouts group in aid of Missio. It was a nice adventure going down these valleys. Please always take care, especially where to step, because there might be some recent rain and you can slip easily. So be sure to have the correct equipment, like a good trekking boots, because some paths are very slippery. And now we are approaching this massive bridge over here. Have a look. It's about 43 meters height. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 arches. Now we are approaching to one of the nice features of this valley. There's that chapel there. It's over there. It's dedicated to Saint Paul the Hermit. Seems there's a small cave here under this rock. Seems a large rock that fell down and formed a small cave here. Let's have a look. Wow. Here seems to be a man-made canal for water to pass from that area. A lot of carob trees here and shrubs. Very peaceful, eh? So now we will take this stairs to go next to this small chapel, which is situated in this cave. Have a look at this beautiful cave. And here there is this monument dedicated to Saint Paul's the Hermit. And over here is the chapel that I mentioned before, which is dedicated to Saint Paul the Hermit. This chapel was built in 1656. Let me try and have a look from this tiny hole here, because it's locked for safety reasons, I think. It has one altar, and that painting is not the original one, it's a replica. The original one, it's situated in the Mosta church. There's also a legend that a saintly man was used to live here in this cave, which his name was Corrado, and the shepherds wanted to get rid of him. So they tried to throw him some stones, and he managed to escape from this shepherd. So from that chapel we will take this path now and continue along this valley It's beautiful, eh? Today it's a sunny day. It's not that hot, but it's perfect, the weather. So let's continue with this adventure. Hope you are enjoying it. It's amazing, eh, this valley. It was on my bucket list to do, but today I thought it would be nice to do this adventure. Showing you a 360 from here. Next we are approaching a small cave. Should be here. Let's have a look at this cave. I will remove a bit this one because my breath is it's quite deep, huh? Although it's small. Look here. It's all natural. There's a lot of rubble, rocks here. And have a look at that feature there, the rubble wall. They used to block the cave entrance because many years ago they used to live here. So they try to protect from wind especially and from rain, but to live here they will be protected from the elements. And have a look at these holes here. Look, some of which they used to put either candles. Seems to be all natural, this cave. If you know the name of this cave, please leave your comments below. So now we will go out from this cave to have a look at the other parts of this beautiful valley. And here seems to be another cave, so we will have a look. Here's another cave. It's full of pigeon poo. Have a look here. It's amazing, huh? This one is much smaller from the other one, but even the height. And now we will go outside from this cave to reach a pillbox which is over the other side. So stay with us. And here we are approaching this pillbox which goes back to World War II. Have a look at this pillbox. Unfortunately, it's surrounded by this quarry here and other industrial areas. But from here, on the other side, these are amazing views. Huh? So we will enter this pillbox, which, as I told you, they used to protect from here the soldiers. There are some shooting points. It's made of concrete. There's another shooting point here onto the valley. And there's one here. So the soldier will stand up over there, on here, and shoot from there. There are several of these pillboxes around Malta, especially next to the seashores, to protect Malta from the enemies. From here, from the pillbox, which is the last area that we will visit, from this valley, Wied Il-Għasel, the valley of the honey in English, we will turn back, and now we are going to try and use the lower part of the valley. We use the upper part to come here, and now we will use the lower part. So stay with us. And now we made it to the lower part of this valley. We were over there and over there. So let's take this path and return back from where we came. Here there's this old bridge. I don't know if this was the old bridge crossing this valley. It could be, it was connected to that opening, the bridge. Whoever have any more information, please leave it below in the comments. Let's have a closer look to this bridge. Imagine during heavy rain here, the amount of water crossing this bridge. And here there's like another cave under this rock. Seems like the other one we saw in the beginning. Let's have a look. We condemn these things, huh? I think it's barbecue stuff, that one. Do not do these things in such places. Wow. It's like a small cave formed by this large rock over here, which fell, I think, from up there. Let's continue with the last part of our trek today. It's very enjoyable, very peaceful. I saw only 3 people down this valley today. And that was another adventure from here, from the Wied Il-Għasel, situated in Mosta. Hope you enjoyed this adventure. Please subscribe, like and comment on my channel. Until the next one, bye bye.